What's going on, folks? Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Take a look today at a couple things I got in the mail from the one and only Charles Latreille. He hooked me up here. I'm very happy. He did some 3D prints for me for a channel round. This is one side. Pretty cool ship on it, 2023. A steering wheel from a boat. Ooh. Stack what you like, an anchor and a pile of treasure. I'm digging it. Hopefully I can pour it. But thank you, Charles Latreille. These are awesome. He made two sizes. These are the large size, and these are the small size. He also made these awesome coin stands. Check these out. USA, and these actually hold quite a bit of weight. I've had a 10 ounce bar on them, and it held up pretty good. I'm loving the green color. I like these things. Ooh. Rough on them though. I'm rough. E Pluribus Unum, very cool. And then, In God We Trust. I think they're pretty cool coin stands. Let me know what you guys think. Go check out Charles Latreille. Does pretty cool work. Great guy. He's a mod for a lot of channels. He's a very cool dude. And just a little shout out for him. Thanks, Charles. I dig these very much so. And you hooked me up with a great deal. Appreciate it, my brother. Have a great day. Thank you, everybody, for watching.